Hi everybody, good evening. My name is Carol Lill and I'm the teacher that your child has for Introduction to Business class here at East High School. So I'm going to share a little bit of information with you today about what our syllabus is all about, the topics that our class covers, a little bit about myself, and then also how your child can get involved in our East Deca program if they so choose. So again, my name is Carol Lill, and your best way to contact me anytime is going to be through email. I'm happy to do a phone call with you, but due to the circumstances, it's much easier for you to email me and we can schedule a time for a phone call. Beyond that, a little bit of a background for myself is that I'm a graduate of Bloomsburg University in their business education program, and I also have my master's in educational technology from Rosemont College. I've been teaching at East High School for 24 years, and my first year of teaching was in Lower Merion School District at Harridan High School. We're really big into Deca around here, and I'm a huge fan of it myself. So I've been a Deca advisor for over 20 years. Our program has been very strong for several years, and it actually came to East right when it opened in 1973. Along with being an advisor, I've also done some different things to enhance my learning as an advisor by attending the Deca Amped Leadership Conference a couple different times in the summer. And what that basically is a leadership conference for Deca advisors all around the country. I attended that in Miami a few years ago, and then this summer, of course, they had a virtual conference, so I was able to do that as well. In addition, I've also been a presenter at the state and national level at the different advisor academies that they offer on those two different occasions. So over the summer, I said summer fun, but I think everybody probably had maybe the strangest summer that you'll ever remember. But we spent a lot of time together as a family. Our daughter Morgan is a junior at the University of South Carolina. She is a business major down there in the Darla Moore School of Business, and she is very happy to be the East High School, University of South Carolina liaison. And then this is our son Gavin on the right hand side. Gavin is a junior at East High School, and it's totally fine if you feel a little bit sorry for him that he goes to the same school where his mom is a teacher. A little bit about our course. This course, Intro to Business, is one of our favorite courses that we offer. This course is open to students in grades 9 through 12, but it often is skewed heavily towards ninth graders. The overall idea of this class is to give the students a little bit of taste and snippet of every area of business. We feel really good about a lot of the project-based learning that we have in this class, and in a normal situation, we try to make sure that we have the students doing realistic projects, up, moving around, presenting, and doing several different things like that. In addition to the overall description, these are a few of the different topics that we'll be covering this year. You can see that they range from economics to entrepreneurship, and also talking about investing and the stock market in the springtime of this class. So it's a class that I enjoy quite a bit. I really enjoy working with this age group, and a lot of times they know quite a bit more about business than you would think. So moving on to a little bit about Deca. So Deca at East High School is an organization for students that have an interest in all different areas of business. As I mentioned earlier, we have a very strong program at our school. We've been number 1 or number 2 in the state for the size of our chapter for quite a while. If you would like to follow us on social media, you'll be able to see that information at the bottom of the slide. And also what you're looking at, that picture is from States last year, and those are not all of the kids, but quite a few of our students that received top awards at the state last year. Now obviously this year is a little bit different, so we've got some new initiatives that we're going to roll out to our Deca members. These different programs have been explained to your children in all of their business classes, and if you would like to know a little bit more about these programs, it will be shared with you at a parent Zoom meeting on Wednesday, October 7th. So on Wednesday, October 7th, we are happy to answer all of your questions that you may possibly have about our program. You'll notice that it says it's a parent Zoom meeting because your child has received this information in class. Just so we're clear, in the Deca program here at East High School, because your child is in a business class, they have an opportunity to get involved with Deca, but they don't have to get involved with Deca. It does not impact their class grade whatsoever. And again, I'm happy to answer any questions that you may possibly have about the Deca program that we have here at school. So again, my name is Carol Lill. The easiest way to contact me is through email at clill@wcasd.net. So thank you very much for your time, and please reach out with any questions that you may have.